Welcome back to another video. In this video we will create space in contenful.com. So let's go to our browser and let's go on contenful.com. So here we need to click on login. I have already created this account, so I logged in. If you are new to Contentful, then just click on sign up. And here you need to fill your details, your first name, last name, company name, email ID, okay, and just fill this form and sign up. I have already signed up, so I'll just go to login and I'll log in into my account and I'll come back. So I'm logged in my account, and as you can see, I have already created one space for my earlier website which I created. All this content is coming from this space which I have created earlier. You can see that content model and all the content model I have created for that, home, contact us, blog, about, everything. And here you can see the space. So we will create one more space for the new course. Okay, so let's click on this icon. You also click on this icon, and this space has already been created. And let's create a new space. I'll create a new space. In your case, you might not be seeing this kind of space, so you need to click on this create space and you will see this pop up. And here, if you see here, it is written that free one used. We get two space IDs. I have used one for my earlier website, so, and now I'll use one more for the new course which I am making. So let's click on this, and we need to give a name. So I'll give the name as website. Okay. After giving the name, click on proceed to confirm, and it will tell you to confirm and create space. So we have created a space, and here you can see it has changed from SK to website. And if you click on this, we have two space. Like first it was SK and now it is website. I have created a new space. And if I click on content model, it will be empty because right now there is no content model and there is no content. Okay, so we will create the content model and content for this new course, the new website. Okay, I will see you in the next video where we will make the content model and we'll add some content for our pages. So see you in the next video.